I welcome you again for the math inquiry based learning on properties of numbers. In the previous video, we have learnt about how to make observations in an image prompt and some guiding questions that help you to make observations. I hope you have made few observations on your own. Please write it on the comments. And now let's see how children have made their own observations. So some children have told there are two apples I could see in the tree, and in another bunch there are three apples, and the number returned is also having 2 and 3. So if I add 2 plus 3, it is 5, and 3 plus 2 is also 5, and the plus refers to the addition here. And I see the question could have been how many apples are there in total in the tree? Yes, so these are the different ways that you can relate the image with the number written. Now, there is also an interesting observation that the numbers are actually reversed, and the equal symbol meaning the number on the left, the total on the left and the total on the right of the equal symbol are same. So the equal symbol refers to what remains same. And a child has noticed that the numbers are actually reversed 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. So they made an observation that the total remains same when the numbers are added in either way or in the reverse order also. So now we have made good observations. Let's start verifying if this is really true for all the numbers. For that, we are in the verify stage. Can you take some numbers and check if your observation is true for those numbers? So you can take the observation shared here or your own observation and take different numbers to check if that observation is true or not. So what kind of numbers do you think you can take up to verify for this observation? So this you can think and also record your observations with different numbers using a mathematical recording tool. So now that takes us to a question, what does a mathematical recording tool mean? A recording tool essentially means some way of noting down your observations and different experiments that you have made uh, and the conclusions that you have observed in a neatly organized way, which actually reveals you different patterns or conclusions. If not writing down in a random way, but in an organized way, like tables, flow charts, Carroll diagram, charts, and many other things. So different mathematical recording tools can be used for different scenarios. And in this scenario, what we are discussing now, what tool do you think is better for this situation? Yes, there could be many. I think a tables could be a very good recording tool for this particular scenario. So basically, you can apply a table, prepare a table with different columns and rows, and figure out what kind of numbers you are going to take and verify your observation is true, and how are you going to record it in a table. Now start verifying with the table and different numbers. I'm looking forward to see what kind of different numbers are you going to take to verify, and also interested to know how you're going to make a table. So pause here now and then make a note of what numbers you're going to choose and how you're going to make a table. We'll see further in the next video.